Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you this Sudoku solver. Basically, it's a game, but I have this program which solves this Sudoku challenge. So on this challenge, to solve this, you just need to follow three rules. So you need to fill this box or cell with the numbers. For example, if I want to put a number here, first rule, I need to find a number which is not in this column. And second rule, I need to find a number which is not in this row. And third, I need to find a number which is not in this box. Okay, let me find one, for example, let me say 2. Let's see, 2 is not in this column, and 2 is not in this row, and 2 is not in this bigger box. Like 2 can work for now, can work. And you go all the way down here and you fill this box. And let me go to my code. Yeah, this is my folder structure. I've used Node and Python to perform this Sudoku solver. I've used Node to be able to come up with this Python shell package, which allows us to run Python codes. And then the code by itself is here, Python code is here, and the Sudoku challenge is here. So this is what should be solved, and this is the function to solve it. So first, this possible function will just check if a number which is on a specific row and on a specific column is either can work or cannot work. So I just need to check, like, make this loop between 0 and 9. You see, like, all numbers here are ranged from 0 to 9. Then I say, like, depending on the row that I've received, I go ahead and check the column. For example, if I'm given like row 4, 0, 1, 2, 4, then I will go ahead and check for the column, like check this number. So if I found the number there, that means this is false. And then the same 2 column. So I will be like, depending on the column that I'm given, I'll go ahead and check the row, like check this number like this. And if the number is there, and then the possibility is false. And by this, it's like after the division, having the least number. Like if you want, this is used if you want to come to target that bigger box, you'll be getting the starting points. And if you get the starting points, you'll be using these two looping. And when you go inside, we'll be incrementing, like, for example, the I is the outer loop, and J is the inner loop. So I will have to first do the looping for this J. Then after this, I will increment one number on I index. Then when I go back again and again, I loop to just the J index, like checking the whole box. Like if I found a number there, that will be first. So otherwise, this should be true. And this function, we will use this function here. So this is where we need to call this function and see, and also update the number if the number is true. So I need to do this loops. I say on low, like range, I say like from 0 to 9. And initially I take row 0, then I go for the column. Then again, I say like column 0 to 9, and I will go like all the way like this. And here I will say like grid row, like row is 0 and column is 0 by default, like this one. But the column we increment like this. We increment like this. Like if it's 0, that means the value is updatable. Like you can play this number or you can solve this number. So you go inside, and just for the number, like the number should be between 1 1, and 9. This is a range. And then we have to pass this number, and depending on where our loop is right now, we give the row and column and the number. And then because our address, like x-axis and y-axis, is if it is 0, that means this is free, and we pass this value to this value to this given number, and again we play again the game, so all the way down, and then we have to print our matrix. I mean our list in Python. This is how we call it. Okay, let me run this. And I have this script to run it, npm run dev. Yeah, you see, like this is it here. This is the solver, and we can go ahead and change it. Okay, let's say, let me change here. Let me put. So I need to put. Let me put like 3, and again solve this. Okay, so that means 3 somewhere here, or here, or in this row. Let me see. Okay, let me put another number and say, let me put 5. Okay, 5 works. So you can, like, this number that you put just to prepare the game, and depending on the value that you've had, you can just either make like edit this value, and then run the Sudoku solver. Right. Basically, this is how it works. Thanks for watching. See you around.